Camera installations can be time-consuming and frustrating. Our 3 Series Smart Dual Light camera changes that with common sense design choices. Designed with installers in mind, the camera can be attached to the back box and plate with a single set of screws. The silicone washers hold the screws in place as you head up the ladder and keep the unit waterproof. It's good practice to get it all ready before you head up the ladder, connect the cable and tighten the screws. Need to adjust the viewing angle? Our integrated adjustment collar allows you to make amendments without having to manage any loose screws. Suitable for low light and outdoor environments and equipped with our AcuPick AI technology, the new 3 Series Smart Dual Light camera delivers a feature-rich device that will empower end users, and it's easy to install too. The 3 Series Smart Dual Light camera from Dahua, built for installers.